take a hold when you're not here, not a home when you're not here. Hearts to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about this wig that I have on my head, which this is the first time that I'm trying out this type of wig. So let's just get into the details. So it is from Ashimary, I believe. Name is going to be in the title and everything is going to be in the description box. But I worked with this company before, so a playlist should be somewhere with all the other wigs and textures that I've tried from this company. But this is their Waterwave, and this is their 360 pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked unit in a Waterwave texture, 24 inches, and the texture is absolutely beautiful. The density of this wig is perfect. I've been like finger combing this hair to make it bigger, and it has not got overly frizzy, so I love that for this wig. I love that. Now, when I put it on, it's not glueless, y'all. I had to use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold because that's the only thing I had in my beauty room right now. So I use this, and I use the bands that this wig came with to tie it down to melt the lace into my skin. I put my contour powder on the lace to blend it in, and this is, like I said, a 360, which means the entire perimeter of this wig is lace. So let's just look at how the lace is in the front, and then I'll put my hair up in the back so you guys can see that. So now the construction of this wig came with an adjustable elastic band with the material on it, so it's anti-slippage. It's not going to loosen up over time because that material really keeps everything like wherever you put it. It has combs that I believe you can remove if you want to, and then it also comes not with adjustable straps in the back, but it's like this like soft silicone material that you can tighten the back of the wig. But child, I thought it was part of the tag, so I done popped off some of like the part of it that you use to secure it when you tighten it. So I don't know, it's the first time I've seen a company do their adjustable straps that way, so just be mindful of that. It's not a part of the tag, baby. Just don't pop it off because you don't need it. It's still adjustable. You can rig it, I guess, by tying it however tight you want it and then knotting it. That way you don't have to worry about it. But if you do what I did. So anyways, I think they did a really good job at plucking this unit. I feel like it looks super good. The bleaching, everything about the way that they prepped this wig, I wouldn't do anything differently. Like, I truly think they did an amazing job with that. Now the only thing for me, do I have practice doing the lace in the back? Heck no. Okay, so did I do the lace in the back? No, I'm not crazy. Okay, I'm not about to do that. But I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, just in case y'all have more experience and y'all can do whatever you do, or you take it to salon, whatever. I'm gonna show you what it look like in the back.
I'm so exhausted.
As you can see, there is like a lot of space in the back for you to customize it how you feel. Like, you can, there's just a lot of space in the back. So I feel like it's, like I said, very customizable. So if that's your thing, baby, you're gonna have a fun day with that. But for me, So I think that's really all I have to say about this wig. It's really self-explanatory. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment down below if you tried this wig, or if you tried a 360 wig and you have any tips or advice on how to install it, or tricks, whatever. Leave a comment down below first. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm so exhausted.
Take a whore when you're not here, not a home when you're not here. Hearts are grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You